Hello traders. Profit from a capital of $10 to $540,654. Previously, I would like to thank those of you who have stopped by this channel. In this video I will show you the backtest results and live trading results using Oracle Expert Advisors. I run this EA on the gold ounce per US dollar pair and US 30 stocks. The results of the backtest can get thousands of dollars in profit with very little capital. For details, you can watch the video until the end and don't skip it. I'll explain a few things. If you are a new viewer, you can subscribe to this channel and of course it's free. You will get a free expert advisor along with the reasons when I upload the video. Make sure you turn on notifications so you can find out every time I upload a video. One. Backtest profit results of thousands of dollars. I have shared the Oracle EA Expert Advisor on the site that I have created. And it's free. If you are interested you can visit the website tradeea.com. There is a large collection of expert advisors that I have and I have distributed them for free. Okay, here I have run a backtest using the Oracle EA Expert Advisor. The pair that I use is gold ounce per US dollar. With the M1 time frame, I deliberately increased the spread to 200 points. And the backtest period that I ran from January 2022 to December 2022. Exactly 1 year of backtest testing. This is the preset setting that I use. I will also share these settings with you. You can see here. The deposit that I use is only $10. And the resulting profit is $540,654. With a spread of 200 points. The profit factor obtained is 2.35. The maximum drawdown is very large, namely 527%. And consecutive losses 24 transactions while consecutive wins 26 transactions. You don't need to worry about the results of the backtest quality with NA information. Previously I had downloaded data from Dukaskipi and it was successfully read on the MT4 that I was using. If you notice here, this expert advisor is very dangerous because of the large drawdown. But if you can master it this will give you an advantage. Then how to master this expert advisor? One of them is that you need to see the news. If there is news, you immediately turn off this expert advisor. And you need to learn too, at what time are the profitable trades and at what are the unfavorable trades. If you already know at what time it is detrimental, you can turn off the EA at certain hours. And only run expert advisors in favorable hours. This is just one example. The rest, you can learn in more detail by making observations first using a demo account. If you feel it can be profitable for you, you can continue using expert advisors. And if this is not profitable, you can leave this expert advisor. Okay, continue. You can see here. This is a balanced growth chart. The profits are obtained very quickly. My backtest starts on January 2, 2022. And ends on December 30, 2022. Two. Profits from trading using Oracle EA. Okay, next I will show the results of trading using the Oracle Expert Advisor. Here I will show what it is. I have nothing to cover. I started trading from January 13, 2023, which means it was only 2 days ago. I get a margin call loss with a capital of $500. The account type that I use is the standard Exynos type. Then what happened? Why even a margin call? Here I found some clues. Later I will explain it. Furthermore I also run a 30 stock. Here I use a pro type trading account. Trading also starts on January 13, 2023. With a capital of $500, you get a profit of $36 from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. And on the third account I get a margin call result. Even though trading starts on the same date and the same time. The account type I use standard type. So the only difference is the type of trading account. The conclusion I can come to is use the best type of account from each broker you use. For Xmas, the best type of account is the Pro type, with the best slippage with faster execution time. Slippage and execution time of open positions here are very influential. For details on what slippage is and execution time, you can learn more about it in another video. Many have explained that. I will save the results of US 30 live trading for learning materials. The drawdown generated here is quite small, only 0.56%. 6 consecutive loss transactions and 16 consecutive win transactions. Three. Trading results from Myfxbook. Here I will also provide us 30 trading references using Oracle EA. The profit that has been obtained here is 191%. For details, you can watch this video. From monthly analytics information in January 2023, there are still losses. And in the previous month it made a profit of 79% and 100 more in December. 4. Download gratis Expert Advisor. As I said at the beginning of the video, you can visit the TradeEA.com website to get an Expert Advisor for free. Click the download button in the article. I also mentioned it in the middle of the video. Fast trade execution time is needed. You need a VPS with low latency. The VPS that I recommend are VPS that have been optimized only for Forex trading. I have provided the registration link. If you are interested, you can try a trial first. Okay, I hope you can be financially successful one day. Use the ideal capital. And don't use capital that you can't afford to lose. And make sure you don't use loan capital. It will interfere with your trading psychology. In fact, Forex trading is a quite dangerous investment activity. Losses can occur and profits can also occur. And what I hope you can benefit consistently. I think this video is enough up here. If there are questions or requests for expert advisors, you can say in the description column.